How to restore photos from Google Photos. Firstly, you have to open the Google Photos app. Now click on the library which is present at the bottom. Now this type of screen will appear. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now we are going to restore photo from Google Photos. Click on the trash icon which is present here. Click on the trash. You can see here the photo which is being deleted and we want to restore this photo. Just hold on it. At the bottom you can see there is an option of restore. Click on restore. Now allow that photo to move this from your trash. Click on allow. In this way you can see that photo will be restored from your account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.